In this lecture, I'm going to be talking about the AliExpress reward and membership points. What is it about and why it's so important. So let's discover mine and what it actually does. So here's my profile right here. My level right now is A4 and my membership points is 3005. My level is 99% higher than the rest of the users. So you can tell that I'm somebody who does a lot of business with Alibaba itself. And what are the benefits of those different points? First off, AliExpress member level. The higher you go up the level, the best service you actually get, including fast shipping, price cut notifications, fast refunds, anything under 100, and fast track claims. So those are the benefits that you actually get. Next thing is, what is this really about? How do you get to 3005 points? Well, 3005 points coming from the amount of money I spent on Alibaba itself. 1 point comes from every buck that I actually spent in purchase on Alibaba, which means I have actually spent over 3,000 bucks of merchandise that I bought on Alibaba itself, and out of which I bought a lot of stuff altogether. So that's how I got from level A0 all the way to level A4 in the past 365 days, which means this is recent. So the more stuff you actually buy from Alibaba, the more points you accumulate. But if you stop buying from them, the level actually is gonna drop from A4 to A3, A2, and so on until it reaches A1 if you stop buying from them all together for an entire year. There is other things that you can do with those points. You can earn special rewards on products that you're going to be purchasing from Alibaba as well. And including, after you spend so much money with them, you get VIP service, which means everything that you buy from them, you get it super fast indeed. So here it is. This is my entire profile on my Alibaba, and you can see in here altogether how many orders I actually placed all in total on Alibaba, which is 293 different orders. 33 are still awaiting delivery. Thank you so much for watching this video, and now it is your turn to get started making your own empire and start making money online. If you're ready, let's proceed to the next video.